Good afternoon, I am Charles from DST company. We specialize in constructive bridge projects, systems in Turkey and various other parts of the world. One of our remarkable projects is the elegant and magnificent Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge, which also known as the Third Bosphorus Bridge. Dehumidification is only the method that effectively prevents corrosion inside the steel parts. To achieve this, in this modern bridge project, controlled dry and non-corrosive conditions around the steel parts are provided by using the dehumidifier units.
Hello, I'm Ahmet from DST Group. As DST Group, we specialize in dehumidification system of construction bridge, both in Turkey and various other countries in the world. This bridge is Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge, one of the remarkable projects of our group, also known as the Third Bosphorus Bridge of Istanbul. We supplied non-corrosive and dry air to the steel parts of this bridge with the help of the DST dehumidification units. In this bridge, we used 14 pieces of DST Seybugiken dehumidification units. The humidity and temperature levels in these areas are continuously monitored through a SCADA system. Additionally, the pressure and airflow of the dehumidification systems are measured and adjusted with the same system to ensure the optimal performances.